Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one interesting product that is available in the world, that is water bottle. So this water bottle is unique because it is free water. So this water bottle is powered by advertisements. So free water is an innovative advertisement platform that utilizes free premium spring water as a new type of advertising medium while prioritizing philanthropy. So if you see here, this is this platform that has started it, freewater.io. So you can come here and put your brand in everyone's hand. So your advertisement will be shown on the bottle. So they have aluminum tin cans and Tetra Pak kind of cans where your advertisement will be shown. They don't use plastic bottles. So you can come to this platform and you can say distribute free water, whether it's an event or for your business. We have many different options for you. You can increase foot traffic, improve sales, gain amazing PR. Now if you want to advertise here, you can come here and put your brand in everyone's hand with this option. So our product is a blank canvas, so you can design it in whatever way you want. So free water is the opposite of traditional advertising because we're not annoying. Instead of making the audience cringe or run for cover, we put a smile on their face. And from that state of happiness is when they will be excited to support your brand using QR codes. You can connect anything on the internet such as websites, coupons, and videos. You can sell or freely distribute anything. Ad supported free water in aluminum bottles and paper cartons. You can choose a distribution model. If you want them to distribute it in the Austin or ship it in anywhere in lower 40 states, they will do it. You can subsidize or cover the entire cost by sharing the ad space. So this is started in US. So you can get 10 times more impression than direct mail. $2.5 cheaper per 10 impressions than direct mail. It's 29% return on investment. It's priceless, saving lives and helping the planet. It's a mini billboard in your hands is what that they claim. So this is the paper carton one. So they have 500 ml. So this is Alumi Tech bottle, which is 474 ml. So in terms of both brand awareness and quantifiable data, they are leading. So we got such large media coverage from various news outlets. So this was started in the US. So something similar have been started in India. It's called Free Water India. So right to free drinking water. So here I think they use plastic bottles. You can help others by helping yourself. So we advertise your company brand on our water bottles and distribute it for free in public, which helps to get access to free drinking water, and in return it creates emotional bond with you and your brand and the audience. So this is the company that does it. So they have started something similar in India. The original idea was very unique, so they have replicated it in India. So now if you say here, you see distribute button. So what is the total cost of water bottle advertisement? So this depends on the following factors: the location where you want to distribute, quantity of water bottles, whether you want customized bottle shipped to your location or you want to distribute it. So in which cities it's present. We are currently providing our service in Delhi and Ghaziabad. It will be soon be available across India. So who can become a distribution partner? So distribution should be capable of distributing at least 5,000 bottles per month. So locational distributor should be good enough to attract advertisers to cover the cost of distribution production. So if you want to advertise here, you can just click on advertise. And how does it work? You can put the brand and the message. We put the brand and his message here, which is eye-catching and creates a lasting impact. You can put a QR code here. With a simple scan, consumers can enter the brand world and engage with interactive content, story, exclusive offers, products and services. So for the cost, you can get in touch with them. So this is not a sponsored video. This is something unique that I found. So I thought I will make a video about it. So I hope you found that useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.